Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching. My name is Rhoda Adeyemi. I'm from Nigeria but based in Canada. So this morning I want to prepare okra soup and semolina. Actually the children have taken something like one took bread, the other took cereal, and the other one took fries and what's it called, a ketchup. Yeah, and my husband took fried rice left over from yesterday, so I'm the only one yet to eat anything. So let's go. Right now I'm preparing my I'm boiling my chicken. I'm boiling my chicken right now, so let me show you. Yeah, so that's the chicken boiling. When the chicken is done boiling, that's the pot I want to use to prepare my semolina and not okay, maybe I will prepare it while boiling the chicken. I think I should prepare it while boiling the chicken. So let's go. Have you seen this type of semolina before? Like, this is the first time I'm trying this in Canada. This is the first time I'm seeing semolina in the store, and that's the first time I'm trying it in Canada. So I don't know how it will turn out or what it will look like, but I'll try it. So this is what I want to prepare now. This is semolina. So I decided to take this smaller one since I've not tried it before, at least to see what it will look like, how it will turn out before buying more of it. So let's go. I know there are different ways of preparing semolina or semovita, but this is my own way. Some people used to put water on the stove first and allow it to boil before they put in their semolina, but for me I prefer to put in my semolina in cold water first, mix it up. My hand is washed already in case you see me using my hand to mix it, so no complaints please. Thank you. So I prefer to mix it up with cold water first before putting it. Oh, sorry. I hope this thing turns out well, because the texture is not like what I'm used to or what we used to buy in Nigeria. It doesn't look like it. It's far from it. Like, it seems like it's all shafts, you know. When you soak gari, you know how it used to feel. Yes, that's how it's feeling like soaked gari. I hope it turns out so, and if it doesn't, then we'll look for something else and eat. Well, that would be so stressful though. Let's go. So I'll put it here. This is how I do mine. After mixing it up, sorry, take my turning stick. So then I put it on, put the cooker on, then I begin to stir. This is how I do my hand. So that waiting for the water to be boiled before putting in the semolina or semovita, I don't do that. Like, it's not as if I can't do it, but I don't see it as my best method or best style. So this is my own favorite method of making it. Yeah, it's my own favorite. First mixing it in cold water, then put it on stove, put on the stove and stir until it's cooked. This I will continue to stir until it's finally cooked. So let's go. Let's do this together. Let's go. Let's do this together. So as I'm stirring it, gradually it will become thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker. Yeah. So you can see that it's becoming thicker and thicker. So You have to, for this style, you have to make, even for any style, you have to make your stirring consistent. Like you stir consistently so that it doesn't develop lumps that will be difficult to blend in well. So yeah, I think I need to want those. Okay, I think something sparks inside on my camera face. Now, me, please come and help me hold this camera so that I can steer this thing well. Let's hold this. Yeah. You can see it's becoming thicker. I think it's nice. I never need to turn out this nice because the vibe it was giving me while I was mixing the flour with cold water was like, what's this? What's this shaft? What was this shaft, man? It's nice. So because it's so thick for me now, it's so strong, I'll have to add little water and cook it. Let me use this. So I'm adding this, careful, I'm adding this little water so that I can get the consistency I want. You know, it depends on how you want it. Some want it this hard like it is right now before adding my water, and some would like it softer. Like me, I like it when it's soft. Life is not that hard, so why should I add semolina? And I'm not add babe. So I'm not a chef. I'm just someone who knows how to cook in our own way. So I'm not a trained chef. So that's it. Now I'll keep stirring to ensure that I get, let me reduce the heat. Keep stirring to ensure that I get the consistency I want. So comment down below if you prefer this style, if you think this style is faster than the other style I talked about, you allowing your water to boil first before you add your semolina. Comment down below if you think this is faster, easier and better. So for me, I can do that other style too, but I found this faster, easier and better. Yeah, for me, I found it faster, easier and better. So you see, yeah, I need to put this off. You might be wondering, who is going to eat this small thing? We don't eat that much in our house. You might be wondering who's going to eat this. It's every one of us. We don't eat that much in my house. So, done with this. Yeah, perfect. This is perfect. So perfect. Yeah. So, this is the consistency I want. This is the consistency I want, and I'm okay with it right now. Yeah, let's move to the next level. I have to serve it in a nylon and keep so like it keeps warm until we want to eat it. Then I'll proceed to preparing my okro. Yeah, so I'm done with my semolina like I said earlier, so it's time for me to prepare my okro. But before I move on preparing the okro, I want to fry my chicken, like just fry it. I prefer it fried so that it doesn't, scatter inside the okra soup, so it will stand well in the okra soup. And I'm starting with frying the ones I want to use for my okra first, because I'm still going to fry everything, but I want to fry the one I want to use for my okra first. Then yeah, So yeah, so let's wait until everything is fried, then we move on to the next level of preparing our okra. So guys, I'm done with my semolina, and I've finished frying the chicken or turkey. I've forgotten what it is. Like, it's been long I bought it and kept in the freezer, so I've forgotten what it is. I didn't even check the nylon. This is my chicken stock. Yeah, so I'll be using it to prepare my okra soup, and this is the pot I'm using. This is my okra. I don't know how you like your okra. Comment down below. For me, I'm indifferent whether it's a blended okra or the okra that they cut, or the one you used your grater to make. So either ways, I like it. But for me, I prefer blended one because I have younger children who most times waste their okra soup. So to avoid them wasting their okra soup, I prefer blending it so they can eat everything. This is my chicken. Yeah, my fried chicken. The last part of the fried chicken, that's my palm oil. So don't mind my baby shouting. So I don't like using too much palm oil for my okra, so I'll be using a little palm oil for my okra. Yeah, that's it. That's I'll be using for this okra. And I'll be bleaching the okra a little. I don't like bleaching. I said okra. Bleaching the palm oil a little. I don't like bleaching my palm oil so much. So I'll be bleaching it a little, and you see it won't make a sound. So I'm adding my pepper. For this pepper, it's a mixture of rodo, tomato, and alubasa onions. Yeah. So left to me, I would have loved to use rodo and alubasa alone, but because I have younger children who don't like peppery and things too much, so I needed to add tomatoes. So I don't have a particular number I'm using, I'm just adding. Yeah. So, and I will be adding my chicken stock as well, because I use that chicken stock for cooking. I prefer using it to ordinary water. So anytime I have my chicken stock like that, I use my chicken stock instead of using ordinary water to prepare my okra soup. And this is because it will reduce it will give it a nice taste. Yes, and moreover, I might not necessarily have to use any more salt or maggi, and on rare occasions if I have to use, it will be a little addition to it. So I don't have a particular number I'm putting there, so I'm not counting, I'm just putting it there, just putting this chicken stock there. So now I'll give it a stir. You can see me stirring it. So I want to add my chicken now. Yeah, so I already separated the one in this sieve to use, but I'll still be adding a little, like 2 or 3 to eat. So this is what I want to use for my okra. Yeah, so don't say, is that all you're going to add in your okra? This is a minimalist okra. Like, getting other things in the diaspora is not that easy, and if you really want to do it, you get it from African store, and it's kind of expensive. Because me, I still do the exchange rates every time I want to buy something, so I buy things that are necessary. That's why I don't have a lot of that there. And moreover, I ordered for foodstuff already from Nigeria, crayfish and everything like that from Nigeria, and it will be here in 2 months time, so I don't want to waste my money getting that stuff here. I'll rather wait and manage what I have right now. So I'll leave it to cook. It's cooked now, you can see. So it's cooked now. I like putting my chicken or whatever meat I'm using into my pepper and cook it from start, so that the pepper will enter it very well and it will give it the meat a nice taste. So I've added my okra now, and I'll give it a stir. Yeah, you can see me stirring it. So I'm stirring it right now. Stirring it right now. Like I said, you can put your crayfish, you can put your what's it called, dry fish, and whatever is snail, seafood. Yeah, I literally can put seafood, but I entirely forgot, because I still have my shrimp. I still have shrimp inside my freezer, but I forgot totally. I thought I didn't have anything again, and it's not yet my market day, so I had to manage whatever I have at home, because everything is on budget, you know. Yeah, that's how it is. That's how it is. Everything is on budget. So I'm giving it a steer now. You can comment down below, how do you prepare your own okra? How do you prepare your okra? So this is a minimalist okra, like I said. So I'm tasting it now to see if I need to add Maggi or salt, whatever it is I need to add. You see, I had to add more chicken stock. Remember, I said I don't use ordinary water for my okra. That is if I have any stock at home, chicken stock, beef stock, whatever stock. If I have them at home, I don't use ordinary water for my okra. I would rather use the stock, that stock for my okra, so it will give it a nice taste than using ordinary water. Yeah, so I'm stirring it, and I'll still taste it to see if I need salt or if I need Maggi or if I need both. And even if I'll be needing both at all, it will be very minimal. See, I'm tasting it right now.
Thank good.
See, mouth, so tasty, right? Yeah, so I'm adding a little salt now. Don't be scared, it's not much. So because the container doesn't have a wide opening like that, so I know the measurement. It's not that much. That's the name of the salt. Now I'm giving it a stir again. You might be saying, why is your okra face dry? Why is it this? Why is it that? I don't like too much oil. Like I said, I don't like too much palm oil in my okra. Hence the reason it might not be so red the way you might be expecting it. So this is how I like my okra. Yeah, so if I were to be in Nigeria now, I would have added ugu leaf or scent leaf to my okra. Yeah, so but I can't get that here. Until I'm able to get that, then we move. That'll be nice. I'll be glad. But until then, I will cook it the way I can with the little resources I have. So that's all about that. You can see the remaining part of the fried chicken. I already put them in Ziploc bag, so I'll be putting this in the freezer, keeping them till there will be need to bring them out for use next time, so I can use them to prepare stew, to cook indomie, spaghetti, or whatever it is, at least for the coming week before my market day, because my market day is in 2 weeks time, so I have to manage whatever I have at home. That is it. So every week, like, that's it guys. So that's it. Every week I try to spend like $150 every week, 150 CAD every week. So I don't want to spend more than that. So I'm being minimalistic. Yeah. So that's it guys. You can see it's cooking. I'm trying to be minimalistic, because if not, hi guys, thanks for watching. So sorry I couldn't even complete the video, the 7 parts, because I've not eaten, I've not served it at all. I need to quickly rush into the bathroom and take my bath, dress up, because I'm going out by 2 p.m. and it's almost time. So, and dress up for my children as well, because we're going out together. Thank you very much for watching. So catch you in the next video.